the toes, on the toes, on the toes. On a count of 5, we do squats, yes? All right.
Mihango mingi ya o muthenya na gwetha uboco ni tutigithukanitie na kumenyerera mĩĩrĩ itũ na kaingĩ gucungĩrĩria kuonaga ndagĩtarĩ mahinda kwa mahinda ni undu wa kaundu kanini tu ga kwaga kunogora mwĩrĩ.
1, 2, 3. Narrow march, wide march. 1.
Umuthi njorua cia mathako turacemania na mwarimu wa gym kana instructor uria wikaine ta Walter kuma mukawa-ini wa Sports View guku mucii wa Nairobi kuria aratutariria ikinya ria mbere ria guthondeka mwiri.
You just need to be the gym 3 to 4 days a week. First of all, you have 4 main body parts. You have the chest, you have the back, you have the legs and the shoulders. So if you do one each day, it results to 4 days. But you can combine other things in between, that is the arms and the abs.
Walter arauga kirathi kia mbere wa kinya thiini wa gym ni kumenya mirire yaku agitariria andu aingi marutaga o wa githiururi ni kwaga mitaratara miega ya mirire.
When you come to the gym, you burn calories. When you go home, you take in calories. So let's say we came to the gym, you burn like 2,000 calories. You go home, you take in another 2,000 calories. So you have equalized what you burned at the gym. So there is nothing you have reduced. So what happens is this, you'll remain fit, but you'll not reduce your weight.
Ndungihota gukorwo uroka gym, gacoka gathii ukaria ningi chipo. Hau hatiri no ndu urakorwo gika. Especially angikorwo nduri uramenya uhoro wa diet. Na ona korwo ni uhoro wa chipo, ni ukuringana na uraruta wira uriku.
Na hii ni uya ati mundu kuga ari fit kana ari na mwiri mwega ti unyihu wake wa mwiri. Walter haha agatariria kiuga mwiri mwega no uria uri na mayu ma kuruta wira.
What I can say is that fitness is important in our daily life. We need fitness more in our daily activities for right thinking, to easy our job, for good movements, to make great decisions. We need gym in our life, so we need to work out like daily. That's what I can encourage both people to do in their daily life.
Oria maundu maracenjia na technology, gym matuku maya ni irahuthika ningi iri ta thibitari ya kuhoneria nguraro kuri athaki.
You strengthen your muscles and you hit the healing very fast. So that's how gym comes into the sports. For your endurance, you need gym. For sustainability, in your workout, in your play, that is basketball, handball, or football, you need gym for that endurance and that strength of workout. So gym is more important to the sport guys.
Haro gutikorwo na injury. Because ukoraga andu aingi maraumia, no ni ndio fit. So actually gym it entail vitu mingi. Ni kureshia maguru. So ukiona kama kuna hizi calves, kongwa igirona kiharo, wewe ukoragwo na uyu.
Gukiri ugwa andu aingi ni mahiyukitie gym ta kirathi kia o muhaka kuria matukanagia kunogorera mwiri thiini oro undu umwe na irathi cia nja.
Ngia ya gukorwo twina gym haha ni tukoragwo na outside activities, tukaga hikes. The most recent one turathiete Elephant Hill and turathiete Gong Hills na maundu ta macio.
Na mothe kenda wa bata ni ati.
So overall fitness definition is if you are able to do your work at ease, that is what is called fitness. Are you able to operate your daily life with flexibility? That is what we call fitness. 4, 5, 6.
Nitugithii na mbere na guthondeka mĩĩrĩ itũ na kinyi nigetha twigune handu-ini ha njorua cia mathako njitagwo kuria wa gicimu.
3, 4.